Hi! In front of me is Nothing Phone 2, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. You need to begin by accessing Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy section. Over here, Security and Privacy. When you find it, after clicking on it, scroll all the way down and click on Privacy under Updates. Then click on Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's options that you wish to manage, like location. Now tap on one of your apps. I will go with Chrome, and apply the best option for you from the list of available ones. Allow only when using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with the last one, so when I click, in this case I need to choose don't allow anyway in the pop-up. So when I do that and go back, I can see that Chrome no longer has access to my device's location. You can also just click on one of your apps, and instead of selecting one of those options, tap on See All Chrome Permissions at the bottom of the list. Then manage all of those options only for chosen app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!